Hello, I'm Rowan, and welcome to Autistic. Today we have a Sony ICD-B600 digital voice recorder. I found this at a garage sale for $10, brand new. Let's get to it. So 301 hours recording time, has 512 megabytes of space, features a voice-operated recording, selectable microphone sensitivity, add dictation function, and large front speaker. There's different selectable recording modes, and yeah. So yeah, this is kind of an old thing, but I don't care. It's like a brand new device. Okay, let's open this now. Let's just try. And then we'll open it like this. You're supposed to cut right here. I don't think you can see very good, but oh well. I think you know what's going down here. And then here. That one can't really be done. And then I think the beta, but I think the most important part is, oh god, don't want to destroy the box too much. Cut. There we go. The box is kind of ruined now, but I don't really care. Okay, so back to holding the camera now. So I hope you didn't see me. Never mind. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, well, I'm not sure. I've been trying to pick at the thing here. Maybe I cut way too short. Okay, well, you already know what I'm doing, so you don't need to see. Come on. There we go. And I guess this side, too. Jesus. I don't care. Let's open it up. The video stopped, but that's fine. We got in there, and I don't think I need this bulky plastic. Let's just, I don't know how I'm going to angle this. I don't want to show myself. There's the sun. No, that's the wrong way. Nowhere. Yeah, and I can't buy my stand either. So let's just find something else here. Okay, I'm just wasting time here. Just use this box. There we go, it works. Okay, there we go. Okay, here it is. Let's open it. We got a proper way to see what's going on here. Oh man, this one's messed up. And that's what happens. Stay. Maybe use a Raycon box. Make sure not to break it. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can see it. Oh, just open up. I'm getting poked here. Jesus. I almost bolted it off the table. Okay, there we go. We're in. I think we got it now. Come on. Open up. Come on. Okay, here it is. Idiot. Okay, there we go. Sorry for being mean, but like, this is really hard to open. Okay, here's all the guff. Okay, here's the manual. It's a fold out. Okay, I think this is the regular one here. Warranty, customer just thing. Okay, what else do we? Okay, so let's get through. Okay, I think we can see it now. Okay, here's the recorder itself. Let's see what else we have here. Are these batteries okay? Are they still okay? I hope they are. Oh man, they're hard to get out. Just push it like this. Nope, you're absolutely stuck in there. Okay. No, there they are. And they are not corroded or leaked. Come on. I just want to do it. So let's see what you're viewing. Okay, I think you got a pretty good view right here. Okay. Okay. We'll see if these work. I don't think there's any other stuff here, so let's keep going. Okay, let's just break it out of its thing. There we go. All right. I think we got it out now. Let's get. Here we got the sticker. How do you peel it? I guess here. There we go. All right. Okay, here it is. Not sure these work. I don't think they do. They're really old. Like from years ago. Maybe 20 years ago. I don't know. Or maybe almost 20 years. I don't know. Okay. They are. Okay, I don't think these work. Okay, so you have the model number there. You have some headphone jacks and microphone jacks. Record, play, enters. Everything's a big speaker right here. Display, menu. What else do you have? Hold, volume, chase. Yeah, it's pretty good. It looks like a little microphone. You can hold it. Okay, does this work? I wonder if you turn it on. I have no idea. I don't think these work. I have no idea how you plug this into a computer. I guess there's something here. It's hold? Yeah, I don't think that works. You know what? Let's just get some proper, triple A's. I'm just gonna go the thing. Come on. These are impossible to get out. Just get out. I'm literally scratching them with my fingernails. Come on. There we go. All right. Oh, and this one's. Oh God, I don't want to break this over. Okay, there we go. Let's find some brand new AAA batteries. Okay, got some brand new HDXs. I think you can still see good here. Okay, all right. Let's close that. Okay, HDXs here. Oh, there's two. Perfect. Okay. Can go in here. I still have no idea how you turn this thing on. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's turned on. Access. Oh, we gotta set the date. How do we do it? Oh, no. I guess I set the date to some random date in the past. Okay, how do you do this? I have no idea. This? Play? No, it's not. Didn't do anything. Go back. Oh, I think. Oh, the hold button's on. Oh, I think I can do this. Okay. What day is it? Okay, so it's June. Okay. Oh, I hope this is. I'm not. And then. Oh, I think we got it. 23. That's it. Okay. Well, okay. I have no idea what time it is. Let's just do let's do 17. I think that's what time it is. Lego. And then that set date. I did set the date. I did. What's going on with this? Okay, I think it's there now. I hope so. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this thing records. Testing. This is I'm testing this thing out. I got it garage sale for $10 brand new, and we're just gonna test this thing out. Yeah. I don't know how we get to this on a computer, but I hope it can be pretty easy. So yeah, I'll see how good this sounds. There we go. I think we made one recording. Oh, it's doing another one. Stop. It doesn't do another one. Oh, there we go. I think it's okay now. Okay. How do we get this thing into a computer? I have no clue. Is there anything in here? Make sure it does not come out. No, nothing in there. Can you see this? Yeah, I think I can. Yeah, I think you can see that pretty good. I hope so. Okay, how do we plug this in? Share, maybe you can't plug it into a computer at all. I don't see anything to plug it in. Maybe this thing is just meant for portability. Maybe you can't get them off it at all. Okay, alright. I guess that's the deal here. Okay, I'll just put that on the floor since it's, garbage. Let's see if we can... Okay, so... Yep. Okay. Okay, I'll just put these here. And then we might as well pack it all up. Pack it all up here. Yeah. Wait, maybe the manual will have questions about us. Let's just take a look at this quickly. Oh, anyway, I hope you can see this guy. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this is what we need here. Maybe we'll put this somewhere for reference. Just wish it wasn't a roadmap. Okay, alright, let's see here. Just like things about messages, does not say anything. Oh, make sure we don't move it. Does not say anything about, yeah, no computer functionality with this thing. That's what I thought this had, but, I guess not. Well, it's good, because there can be, maybe it's a good thing, because, this thing's really hard to fold up. Yeah, it's not good. And I'll just throw it here. Don't care. Okay, let's put all these back on. I think they just go off here. Okay, I think I might have heard it somehow. Okay, we'll put this here. Okay. So, that is... Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can see. Okay, that was the Sony ICD-B600 voice recorder review and unboxing and first impressions. And yeah, it is first impressions. Okay, let's make one more message here. Thank you guys for watching AutisTech. I'm Rowan. Bye. Okay. Oh, it's doing another. Blah. Okay, we got that one done. Okay, there we go. Thank you for watching AutisTech. I'm Rowan, and bye. Sorry I said that twice, but who cares?